What if I told you there are animals on Earth that could survive in outer space? Not in a spaceship, not in a sci-fi movie, but raw, exposed to the vacuum, radiation, and freezing temperatures of the great beyond. You might think I'm pulling your leg, but these critters are the real deal. And science is just as shocked as you. Let's dive in. First up, we have to talk about tardigrades. They're small, water-loving creatures, also known as water babes, and they're basically indestructible. These little guys can literally survive anything. And we've tested it. In 2007, scientists sent a bunch of them into space with no spacesuit, no protection, nothing. And guess what? They came back alive. How do they do it? Well, when things get rough, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis. That's when they dry out completely, shut down their metabolism, and wrap themselves in protective protein. Think of it like pressing pause on life itself. They can stay like this for decades, then come back to life with just a drop of water. Cryptobiosis gives them superpowers, like being able to take a punch of up to 1,000 times the Earth's gravity or spend hours in the vacuum of space is just another Tuesday for a tardigrade. So what's the secret behind their incredible resilience? Well, their genes play a big part. Scientists are still figuring out exactly how they work, but it's something to do with special proteins that protect their cells and DNA from getting damaged. Plus, they can also control how much water they have in their bodies really well, which also helps them survive in space. Next, we have these microscopic worms are like the Energizer Bunny. You can keep them running forever. They've been found in ice soil and even inside nuclear reactors. But here's the kicker. In 2003, nematodes were part of the Columbia Space Shuttle mission. When the shuttle tragically disintegrated during re-entry, the nematodes survived. They have a similar trick up their tiny sleeves, a process called It's like turning off your body's oven to go into hibernation mode until things get better. Their bodies lose almost all their water and they become super slow. Like way slower than This trick lets them handle crazy changes in radiation and pressure. It's like a superpower that helps them survive anywhere. But the show stealer is Dinococcus radiodurans, aka the zombie bacteria. It's pink and it's tougher than nails. It can survive thousands of times more radiation than a human. Like, seriously, how is that even possible? Turns out it can repair its own DNA after being blasted by radiation, desiccation, and even acid. We're talking about a tiny microbe that laughs in the face of danger. Scientists exposed it to simulated Martian conditions just to be sure. And guess what? It lived to tell the tale. Its DNA repair game is so strong that NASA is studying it to see if it can help protect astronauts. So Mars or even help terraform the red planet. All about a tough cookie. Now let's meet our favorite creepy crawly, the cockroach. We know they already survive everything. But in 2007, a group of cockroaches boarded the Fulton M3 satellite and did the unthinkable. They mated, laid eggs, and hatched, all in microgravity. Talk about a space party. But that's not all. The babies hatched faster and were stronger than their Earth-born siblings. And get this, they were the first creatures born in space to come back to Earth alive and well. Now imagine if they got too comfortable up there and decided to take over the galaxy. Yikes. Okay. Now, brace yourself for the ultimate mind-blowing fact. Scientists are working on giving Earth organisms the awesome durability of tardigrades. Imagine astronauts injected with DNA that helps them resist radiation or even survive without oxygen for a while. We're not just sending life into space. We might soon be evolving it for space. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll join them and explore the galaxy like never before. So there you have it. Some of the toughest organisms in the universe are smaller than the period at the end of this sentence. And they're already equipped with the skills to survive in outer space. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll join them on their intergalactic adventures. Just don't be surprised if you find cockroaches on Mars first. Which of these blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane science on the channel. Thanks for watching.